coat of liquid clear. So we're going to get and do this. And we'll do a nice little painting. If you're just joining, please share the live if you can to your friends and family, that really helps. And if you're watching on YouTube, go ahead and hit that like button, leave a comment and share as well if you can, it really does help. There we go. There we go, there's the liquid clear done. At the moment I've got some phthalo green, phthalo blue, some violet colour and a bit of crimson as well. We're going to go into the phthalo green first. Let's go with something mixing with the liquid clear. I'm just using the phthalo blue around here. I'm going to go back into the green and go over this sort of phthalo blue. So it's got green and phthalo blue in it as well. Right, I'm just going to mix that in together around there. Right, into the violet, okay? Going into this violet. And I'm just going to put a little bit around the edge. And really work that on the brush. Straight into the crimson. It's just a touch of colour, just a touch of different colour in the corners. That's all, just a little touch. They're mixed together, that's the good fun thing about it. And just very lightly go over the whole thing. Let's add some white on the board and throw this about. Just a little fan brush. There we go. I'm just going to create some patterns, just lighten up some areas. And then I'll probably make some, any sort of patterns there. Well, we're just going to blend this out. Look at this. We're just going to make a nice little sky. Probably going to add some white twists over this, I think. I'm just blending this sky out. You can add some more white here and there. Into that sort of crimson-y colour right up there. And all these colours are coming alive. Let's just add a little bit, just before I do them, let's just add a little bit more to these, just to make them a bit more. And then do some little twists going up, maybe like a galaxy or something. Or a Milky Way or something like that. There we go, look at that. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. We'll have something like this. Let's go right off the top there. I want to do this very gently. This one, I want to sort of see this one. I'm going to bring that down. Right, okay, let's do a mountain, shall we? We're going to use the colours that's on here just as a base colour. So I'll nick a bit of blue, bit of violet, bit of crimson, just a dark colour. Just a dark colour, really. And then we're just going to lay out some mountains. Let's have a big one in this one. Let's go somewhere right up here. Bring that down there. Have another peak here. Let's have another peak there. Okay, so I'm just going to use the brush and just pull this colour down. Like that. Right the way through all that colour that we've done for the sky. That's where I want these mountains. Just going to mix a little bit of each really into some colour here. Got some purple, let's take some green. Well, let's just cut across there. And that gives a little roll on the knife there. Let's go. Wow, where do I want this mountain to come? Because when I'm doing this, this will come closer and closer towards us. We'll do this one here like this first. And we could have them join, something like that. So we can have them sort of come around together there. I'm just going to blend them in. This one's going to sort of overlap here, I think. And we'll just drag that down. There. I'm going to put some shadows on here as well, obviously. There we go. Something like that. Just pull them up. And down here we want some very soft fills in here. There we go. So I'm probably just going to use the same colour that I was using there in that mixture. Let's grab a little bit of dark. Just a darker colour really for the other side. So I'm going to keep that quite dark. I think it looks quite nice dark. Just some little things coming down here. And that gives us that sort of dark, shadowy sort of colour. Keeping some of that dark there. There's a little bit there and there, so I'm going to leave that out. There we go. Pull this colour down. Dark, isn't it? By going to the website and typing in TikTok, and you can buy this painting. So basically I'm just tapping it to get a little bit of mist. I'm going to create some water, probably coming through the middle of this one, so I'm just going to pull down here. Keep putting down, getting all the colours nice and blended. I'm just going to go across here, and this will make a nice watery effect. So yeah, some black, I just want dark colour. There you go, black and blue together. Can you see? I think you can. Nice. I've just made a lighter colour here, using that colour and then sort of a light colour going into this sort of white down here. I just want to tap in some little background shapes and stuff like that. And I don't want it to, all that goes up there, come round a little bit, and then we can have some sort of bigger hills and stuff. Just a little bit of a darker colour here. Putting that little bit dark in front, you can see different hills. Let's have it going off somewhere like that, that's fine. Let's have a big thing coming down here. Right over that mountain, down here. I might put some little trees on there or things growing. But we're going to come something down like that. We'll come somewhere down here. An afterthought. And we're going to pull this down. We've got a little bit of a different colour in there, but we won't see all of that anyway. Pull this down. Dabbing that in there. Maybe we can have some mist there as well, look. And we're going to go that way, bring that through. Pull this down. Using a smaller brush here, just here, because I've got to get in them other little places. Okay, down here, just pull this down again. Got some little reflections going there. Maybe we can add a little bit more, just a little bit of mist there or something, you know. It lives here, pushing up. Maybe we can put some little bushes or something in there. There we go. Just a very gentle waterline, I think. Up here, just a little one. Just making all them sort of sheens on there and stuff. There we go, look at that. Just put a few little things here and there. There we go. Just growing off the side. Do this so you can see some little things. Just got some thinners going into that dark colour. Some little mystical serenity. please do go and get on the website and have a look about.